In this video, I will guide you how you can add a size chart image pop-up in Shopify. So first of all, we need to create a new page. So click on online store and click on the pages. Now once you are in the pages, you just need to click on add new page on the top right corner, and then you just need to type size chart or anything like that. So once you are done, you just need to click on the generate text if you want to use the AI to do all the work for you. Otherwise, if you have a specific image of your own chart, you can also add. But for now, I will simply put my prompt in here. You can also see the prompt and copy if you want to do this. Otherwise, click on generate button. Now this is how my chart will gonna look like. So click on the keep button, and now make sure to adjust its size according to your requirements. Otherwise, you can also adjust all kind of numbers and text as well. Also make sure to leave a gap on the top of the size chart if you want to add your own image as well. If you want to add your image, you just need to scroll down a little on the chart right in here, and then you just need to click on the three dots right in this place and click on the insert image. Now after you are done with this, you just need to click on the save on the top right corner of your screen. And once you are done with creating a new chart page, you just need to now add this into your product. Now there are two methods. Either you can add it on all the products, but if you have products that are different from each other, you can also go for a specific product. So first of all, click on the customize. Then you just need to select your particular product that you want to go with. Click on it, and then you just need to select your product. Now once you have selected your product, you need to click on default product on the top of your screen, and then you just need to click on this create template. Name it whatever you want to go with, and then click on the create template. Now once you have created a template, you need to head back to your dashboard, and then you just need to click on the product, and then you need to make sure to select the same product that you have created the template for, so that it only affect your specific product. Then you need to scroll a little bit down to this theme template and simply select your new template. Click on save on the top right. Now once you are done, you can now go back, and then you need to simply select your particular product. Now if you select the default product, this will add the chart to all the product, but if you select for the specific product, you just need to click on it, and this will now load up your particular product. Now you need to click on this add a block, and then you need to simply go for this pop-up. Once you click on this, you just need to click on it again, and you now need to enter the link label. So in this case, I will simply add size chart and click on select page. Now as I have already created a new page, so I will simply click on it and click on the select button. Now once you are done with this, you now need to go back and then make sure to adjust its position wherever you want to add this. So I will add this under the pricing. You can add it wherever you want. Otherwise, click on save on the top right. And now if I click on this size chart, this is how it will gonna look like. But let's test it out on our template. Click on it, and if I scroll down and go for the size chart, there you have it. So that's the way of how you can add a size chart pop-up in Shopify store.